Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Shortcuts and creating a new shortcut. Add an action such as Open App and pick the app you want to replace. Once done, tap the shortcut name and choose a clear, concise label because that label appears under the icon. Make sure the shortcut actually launches the target app by testing it in Shortcuts. If it works, proceed to the next step to customize the icon and prepare for placing it on your home screen. Next, open the shortcut details, tap the three dots, then choose Share and Add to Home Screen. Here you tap the icon preview and select Photo, choose File, or take photo to use a custom image. Pick a square or 512 x 512 image for optimal clarity. Once selected, adjust the crop so the key element is centered and readable at small sizes. After adjusting, confirm Add, and the custom icon will be placed on your. To finish, move or hide the original app icon so your custom shortcut is the visible launcher. You can remove it from the home screen without deleting the app. If tapping the new icon opens Shortcuts instead of the app, make sure the shortcut action is explicitly Open App and not a preview or Ask when run. If problems persist, delete and recreate the shortcut, and if needed, restart your device to clear any caching issues before testing again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.